everybody, Dave Gorham from Realty Solutions here, property management company in New Jersey. Just wanted to come on publicly. It occurred to us we're having a lot of messages out to our landlord investor clients and also our tenant and residents about certain procedures that may have been altered during the COVID-19 crisis that we're all dealing with right now. Hope this message finds you and your family safe. We've made a little bit of changes to make things easier on our staff, also on our clients and our residents. So I just wanted to make some of those suggestions out there to the public and also give out some well wishes to you and your family. Our clients were concerned with, and so are we, issues with property and property management. Rental payments, renewals, and maintenance are some of the hot topics right now. We have altered our rent collection process to be a little bit more of a human process where we're actually doing outbound calls to people who have already said that they have some issues with a job, whether it's a layoff or a cutting of hours. So we're actually welcoming them in on conversations to understand what that is. Currently in New Jersey, there's a moratorium on removals of property, so that's affecting evictions. We currently have a law office that is affiliated with our property management company, so we work hand in hand with them, and they've tailored a pay or quit letter that makes much more sense now in this crisis. We will start filing evictions probably after May if tenants have not reached out to us and actually had some good conversations. So we're telling owners to be patient. We're being very sensitive to residents and asking them to be patient. We're being patient with them. So we're also giving a lot of information, public information that's out there for residents that may have been hit and also owners that may have been hit hard. There's lots of information about financial stimulus package and how you individually can go get that. So if you're interested in some of those resources, you can contact me or anyone at the company. As far as maintenance goes, we've altered our maintenance process right now. The coordination is still going on. We're asking tenants if those issues are habitability, emergency, or just regular ongoing maintenance. We've slowed the ongoing maintenance so that we can focus on habitabilities, because even our vendors are experiencing issues with whether or not they do want to go into a home or they don't. Some vendors do, some vendors don't. So we're working with them and we're asking our owners to hold off on unnecessary repairs. At this point, that's going to help a lot of people with some anxiety, but it's also going to help with the financial picture and actually keep money in the coffers for owners. Part of property management is leases and lease renewals. We've started a new lease renewal process right now in the interim until we see how far the stay-at-home order is going to be. We're actually not doing lease renewals. It makes sense and it's very fair to owners and tenants right now to keep lease renewals on basically a moratorium right now and not have any increases, but then also not sign leases that don't have increases. It actually is a very fair process to put a pause on that. That's helped out our team, it's helped out the landlords, it's also helped out our tenants. We're staying on top of self-quarantining issues. All of our team is working remotely, except for a few that come into the office for necessary items. So we're being in touch with our team on a daily basis, and hopefully they're taking the quarantine very seriously, and we're helping them through that process. So our wishes are that any other company out there is doing the same. If there are landlords out there that want some free advice or just want to talk, they can give us a call. The residents out there, if they've got some interest in talking about legal rights, they can call our office and we'll put them in touch with the law office. So I'm Dave Gorham, Realty Solutions. That's it.